anyways, here they are. Alright, well, let's open them up. These are cubes from cubefans.com, and see how good they are. These are just DIY cubes. I'll probably be getting e-sheens later on. And let's see. Okay, that's all that I had. And let's see. Let's open these up. Okay. Alright. And here we are. Okay. Here we have the DIY cube. Oh yeah, very fast, look at that. Alright, well I guess I better assemble this and make this a little tighter because it pops. But yeah, that's very tight. Probably an A. This is I need to loosen this one up. Lockups. You know, I think this one is the, hopefully this isn't the A one. Let's open this up. Okay, this is the D type. This is the D type Rubik's Cube. So it kind of sucks for speed cubing. People suggested it to me, but oh well. But I definitely like the A type Rubik's Cubes. So if you want to get a DIY, I suggest you get one of these, the A types. They're only like $7 a piece, and they're better. The D type, you probably have to lube this up, and yeah. I'll do a excuse me. I'll do a practice solve whenever I get this. Whenever I put stickers on these. Right here. Yeah. So, you know, yeah. It'll be great. Okay, well, that's it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that.